Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important question, which is from simplification of rational expression, which is from class 10 compulsory maths. Here we go. Dear students, the question is simplify 1 divided by 2a minus 3b minus 6b divided by 4a square minus 9b square. So dear students, in this question, we have to simplify a rational expression in which the first rational expression is 1 over 2a minus 3b and the second rational expression is 6b over 4a square minus 9b square. So dear students, rational expression means an algebraic expression which is given in the form of p by q, p divided by q. So dear students, to simplify the rational expression, at first we have to take the LCM of denominators. So before taking the LCM of denominators, at first we have to look at the denominators, whether we can factorize the denominators or not. So let's look at the first denominator. The first denominator is 2a minus 3b, which we cannot factorize. The second denominator is 4a square minus 9b square. Dear students, the second denominator we can factorize by using the formula of a square minus b square, because the first term we can change into square form and the second term also we can change into square form. So dear students, if the first term and the second term both we can change into square form, then we have to factorize the given rational expression. That means we have to factorize the denominator by using the formula of a square minus b square, because there is minus sign between the first term and the second term. So let's do the simplification. At first, we have to keep the first term as it is, because we can't do anything. The denominator of the second rational expression we can change into a square minus b square form. So 4 is the square of 2. 2 to the 4. So 4 is the square of 2 and a is already given in this square form. So dear students, 4a square we can write as 2a whole square, because 2 to the 4 and a square means a square. Similarly, the second term is 9b square. Dear students, the second term, in the second term there is 9, which is a square number. So we can change it into square form. 9 is the square of 3. 3 times 3, that means 3 3s are we get 9. So 9 we can change it to square form and b is already in the square form. So dear students, we have changed the first term and the second term into a square form, so that we can use the formula of a square minus b square. Now the first term keeping as it is, the first rational expression keeping as it is. Dear students, we know that a square minus b square, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we can factorize if any algebraic expression is given in the a square minus b square, then we can write it as a plus b times a minus b, or we can write a minus b times a plus b. So using the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b, that means we can write 2a plus 3b times 2a minus 3b. So dear students, after using the formula of a square minus b square, we have got 2a plus 3b and 2a minus 3b. We have got two factors. Dear students, now the second step. In the second step, now we have to take the LCM. We have to take the LCM of denominators. So let's take the LCM. So we know that LCM is common factor times remaining factor. If we multiply common factor and remaining factor, then we get the LCM of the given algebraic expressions. So first we have to take common factor. So common factor is 2a minus 3b and the remaining factor is 2a plus 3b. So we have taken the LCM of the denominators. Dear students, now after taking the LCM of denominators, we have to divide the denominators. We have to divide the LCM by each denominator. That means we have divided the LCM by the first denominator. So let's divide. So when we divide 2a minus 3b and 2a plus 3b by 2a minus 3b, 2a minus 3b and 2a minus 3b, they are same, so they will cancel. Then we get the quotient, or we can say we get the remaining factor 2a plus 3b, and this 2a plus 3b will multiply to the numerator. So 1 times 2a plus 3b minus. Now if we divide the LCM by the denominator of the second rational expression, then we get 1, because 2a plus 3b, they will cancel, and 2a minus 3b, they will also cancel, because the LCM and denominators are same. So if we divide the LCM by the denominator of the second rational expression, then both the terms will cancel. That means we'll get 1, and 1 times 6b, we get 1 times 6b. So dear students, after dividing the LCM by denominator, we get the quotient, and the quotient we have to multiply to the numerator. So this is the rule of the simplification of rational expression of algebraic expressions. Dear students, now let's open the bracket. 1 times 2a plus 3b, we get 2a plus 3b, minus 1 times 6b, 6 ones are 6, so we'll get 6b, divided by, now 2a minus 3b and 2a plus 3b. After taking the LCM, in the next step, after taking the LCM, we have to combine the LCM. So 2a minus 3b times 2a plus 3b, again we'll get 2a square minus 3b square, which is equal to 4a square minus 9b square. So this is a plus b times a minus b means a square minus b square equals to, dear students, now plus 3b and minus 6b, they are the like terms, so let's subtract, because one is positive and another is negative. So we have to keep the term 2a as it is, and 6b minus 3b will get minus 3b, because the number 6 is greater than the 3. So while writing the sign, always we have to write the sign of the greater number. So 6b minus 3b, we get minus 3b, and 2a minus 3b. So let's again write in the factor form. 2a minus 3b times 2a plus 3b. So dear students, so no need to combine 2a minus 3b and 2a plus 3b, because again we have to change into a minus b into a plus b, so that we can cancel each other. So 2a minus 3b and 2a minus 3b, they are the same. So after cancelling, we get 1 over 2a plus 3b. So dear students, this is the required solution of the simplification of the given algebraic expression. So dear students, I hope that you have understood how to simplify the rational expression. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.